Hello, fellow traders. 'Tis I, TheRumpledOne, coming to you on Thursday, September the 21st. The year's 2023. Let's talk trading. Trading stories we tell ourselves. Order block. These videos are for educational purposes only. Your results may differ from mine. And once again, stories. The main story is do not lose more than you're willing to lose on any one single trade. Risk management. So, that trader that asked me about imbalances and order blocks, hopefully I'm answering their questions now. Let's see. I realize I still have imbalance on here, and what I'm going to need is order block. So we're going to have to come out here and find the order block indicator. Here we go. Order block. And let us, actually, if I remember correctly, can I do that? I can use the switch here to turn off the imbalances. So as you can see here, we have a bullish order block that looks like that may change. Now, interesting. That doesn't look quite. Let me check something here. Order block. Okay. Yeah, what we have, order block, how is that defined? It would be the lowest bear candle before the first bull candle. So this is an area that you want to buy in. Now let's see if I can find, might have to look at a higher time frame. Okay, now this is interesting. We've got a bearish order block and a bullish order block defined here. So this was a bearish one, where this is where you want to short, and this is a bullish one where you want to go long. So right here, in this bullish one, you can see that's in this area here. So you have overlapping signals here. And we just had news drop this hour, in fact, right at the top of the hour. And it was funny because that's when I had my alarm set to wake up, but I didn't realize there was news, but I saw this huge 1 minute candle, and I didn't have my wits about me because it was down here in the launch pad. So there was 1, 2, 3, 4 opportunities on the 1 minute chart. So right here in this bullish order block, so this is the lowest M1 bear candle that preceded a bullish candle. So this makes this the order block. And so you can see here, when you come within this candle's range, that's the buy signal. And I guess the way, and here's a bearish order block 822 minutes ago on M1. And we won't even be able to see how that was formed. Whoops, I think I just hit the wrong pair. So once again, it's a simple concept. Does it work every time? No. That's why we have to employ a stop loss. So right now, the way the order block traders would most likely trade it is they want to see it leave, return, and come back. And then that's when they place their order. So right now, they'd be looking to go long in this area. These would not have been true order block trades. Even though it left the order block, not by enough though. So what we're going to do is we've got a few minutes, so we're going to wait and see here if it pulls back down. This is on the M1 time frame. Let's see, do we have something on? Here's on M5. We've got a 62. Let's see, where is this one here? This is down at 57. So one of the things is each time frame is going to have a different, and so you can see here, this is your bullish order block, but if it's already cracked. So had you bought when price was in here, you would have been stopped out. And so now we're going to probably most likely on M15 form a lower order block with one of these candles soon, because we'd imagine we will have a bear candle. And if you guys have been following, or you girls or you non-binaries have been following my channel for years now, I don't remember which year I came out and I realized about the turn trade. So bear followed by a bull, that's a turn trade. Because you have to remember that every significant run is going to have this pattern at either this pattern at the bottom and then this pattern, bull followed by bear at the top. And some of you might also recognize that you could consider that's a rat reversal, because you see here bull followed by bear, and then you want to take the break of that low, and then bear followed by bull, take the break of the high. But that's a different story. Maybe we'll do that one soon, the rat stories. And notice seems like we're still dropping. Probably want to come back down here. And I'm going to be real tempted if it gets into the 40s to go long again. But sometimes you don't want to go to the well too many times. So you can see right here, we've returned to the order block. So this is where you would start to consider going long. And we're right above. Now we are in the launch pad. So we're 4 pips off that low. And a lot of times the traders that do trade order blocks, they also do trade imbalances. So you can see we've got a bunch of imbalances here that need to be taken out and filled. Let's take a quick look here at M5. And price is going up already out of that launch pad. Would have been good for a few pips. And that's why you take your pips quickly here. And looks like we're coming out of that order block again. So once again, the launch pad's paying off. Let's see what happens. Now let's move up a few time frames to see how it looks. Other levels. So the sellers have pushed back here. Let's see what happens. And then of course the order block traders usually are looking for bigger runs than just a few pips. But you saw that was a very nice move there. So it's kind of interesting. I picked a good time to show the order block because you saw how it actually worked, which is kind of nice. So, fellow traders, the fastest 15 minutes in trading is just about up. So, order blocks, that's a story that you tell yourself. But remember, you should have your stop losses in place and also take profit when the market gives you the opportunity, because it's not what you trade, it's how you trade it. So go out there and drain the banks. This is the Rumpled One, over and out.